So guys, we're done with our shumai and it's ready to go. So we have to steam this and see, look at my shumai. Isn't it beautiful? Nice, right? This is how it goes, my shumai. So now let's steam my shumai. So now this is our shumai. Looking so delicious. So now we have to put the chili garlic sauce. So our shumai is ready. Our homemade shumai is ready. We can also put a lemon. So we have to squeeze lemon on the top. So it becomes so tasty and nice. So that's it. Now, this is ready to go. And let's taste. Very nice. Good morning and happy Tuesday to everyone. And then today I'm gonna show you on how I'll make my pork shumai with shrimp. So for those who doesn't want to have pork, you can of course replace that with beef or chicken mince. So for this recipe, we will be using of course ground pork. This is about 300 grams of ground pork. I have here finely chopped 50 grams shrimp. We will be needing as well liquid seasoning for 1 teaspoon. Of course, we will be needing 1 egg, salt 1 teaspoon, sugar 1 teaspoon, oyster sauce 1 tablespoon, soy sauce 1 teaspoon, and black pepper 1 teaspoon. And as well, we will be using also, I have 5 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna put 1 lemon, 1 finely chopped onion, and a spring onion. It's finely chopped as well. So this, and that's all my ingredients. So please keep on watching. So in here, I have a bowl here. So we just have to dump all the ingredients, everything in a bowl and mix all together. So first I'm gonna dump my shrimp. I'm gonna dump all this here. Everything here. Basically, we just have to dump all the ingredients in one bowl and just mix it, give a good mix, stir, so it will mix properly, and that's it. So I put 1 lemon. That's fine. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Sorry. And liquid seasoning also. I need 1 teaspoon of this. You can also put magic sarap if you want, but I want only oyster soy sauce. And 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. and 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'm using brown sugar, but if you have white, that's also fine. Nowadays, I'm only using brown sugar. So 1 teaspoon of it. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper. That's fine. So we just have to combine all, and then we can dump our egg. First, we just have to combine this before we added our egg. Give a good mix. So this is okay now. Well mixed. We have to put our egg, crack our egg, and put it inside. That's it. Again, mix again. Give a good mix until the egg combine well on the meat. And then this is okay. Let's just sit aside this for 30 minutes. Now guys, my pork is ready. So now it has been sitting like for 1 hour because I was making the wrapper, so it takes time for me. So now we have to start wrapping our pork shumai. So we just have to pick up one and put it inside.
What I'm saying is, correct. See, I'm accepting it, okay, it was not good. But there is other chunk of meat. They asked me for information. I told them I don't know. They told me,
See, this is how you make your shumai. This is how I make my shumai.
So my
See guys, look at my shumai. Our shumai, and it's ready to go. So we have to steam this, and see, look at my shumai. Isn't it beautiful? Nice, right? This is how it goes, my shumai. So now let's steam my shumai. And now we have to put in the steamer our shumai. Just have to put it inside. And just close it. And just cook around 8 to 10 minutes. So now let's check. Okay, this is okay. So now this is now the shumai. It's looking so good and smells good. So now we have to transfer it in a plate. This is perfect. So now this is our shumai. Looking so delicious. So now we have to put the chili garlic sauce. So our shumai is ready. Our homemade shumai is ready. We can also put a lemon, so we have to squeeze lemon on the top, so it becomes so tasty and nice. So that's it. Now this is ready to go, and let's taste. Very nice. Mm. Mm. So guys, it's really nice and I'm so happy with my shumai. So that's all for today. And I hope you'll try my shumai recipe. I'm gonna put I will put in the description box the recipe, the full recipe for my shumai. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye!